Hello viewers. Today we are going to discuss one of the important question in intermediate first year economics. The question is illustrate the consumer's equilibrium using indifferent curve analysis. So if we see introduction, we can write modern economists have developed a new analysis called indifferent curve analysis. This analysis also known ordinary utility analysis of consumer behavior. Okay, and next we can say one definition. An indifferent curve can be defined as the locus of points, each point representing a different combination of two goods which yielding same utility or same level of satisfaction. That means so indifferent curve is the locus of points. Each point on this curve will give same level of satisfaction. In this indifferent curve, so if you see this is IC indifferent curve, each point will give same level of satisfaction on this graph. And if you see next the assumptions, so first one is consumer has an indifferent map. Indifferent map means a set of indifferent curves is called indifferent map. Like that, if you have too many indifferent curves on same graph, that is called indifferent map. So first one in IC1, second one IC2, third one IC3. And if you see the second one, money income is given constant. That means consumer income is same, it will not change. Third one, prices of two goods are given and constant. That means X good price, Y good price will not change. And fourth one is consumer is rational. That means consumer is selfish. You want to get maximum satisfaction. And the last one is there is no change in taste and preferences of consumer. That means there is no change in taste and preferences. Okay. And if you see the next one, indifferent map. As I said, a set of indifferent curves is called an indifferent map. That means too many indifferent curves will be on one graph. Unlimited indifferent curves will be in that map. Second one is budget line. So we have to understand budget line and indifferent curve to use or to understand consumers equilibrium. So what is the budget line here? A budget line shows all the combinations of two goods which the consumer can buy with the given income and their given prices. That means how many goods can consumer buy with income and given prices is called budget line. Okay, so in simple term, how many goods he can buy, that is the budget line. And to get consumers equilibrium we need two conditions. So let's see, there are two conditions for consumer equilibrium. The first one is at the point of equilibrium the budget line must be tangent to the IC curve at its minimum point. So budget line have to touch IC curve at IC curve's minimum point. And the second condition is at the point of equilibrium, the consumer's MRX means marginal rate of substitution X and Y good and the price ratio must be equal. So marginal rate of substitution plus price ratios both should be equal. These are the two conditions. Okay. So we discussed introduction, definition, assumptions, and what is indifferent map and what is budget line and what are the conditions. So with the above information we can find consumers equilibrium. Let's see. First, Let's illustrate consumer's equilibrium. In order to explain how the consumer reaches equilibrium, we have to bring together two tools of IC analysis, namely the indifferent map and budget line. So both indifferent map and budget line we have to use. So here the graph we can see. AB is a budget line and IC1, IC2, IC3 curves are indifferent curves. Okay, see here at the point of E, at the point of E, budget line is tangent to the IC2 curve. And at the point of C and D also, budget line is tangent to IC curve. But at the point of C and D is not minimum point of IC curve. So their consumer will not be equilibrium. So at the point of E only, consumer will be equilibrium because at the point of E, budget line is tangent to IC curve at its minimum point. And at the same time, the consumer's marginal rate of substitution of X and Y goods and price ratios are same. Okay, so consumer will reach at point of E. So in another simple way, we can understand here consumer have three different indifferent curves. So obviously, first indifferent curve will give less satisfaction, and second will give more than first, and third one will give more than second. Here, consumer can reach first indifferent curve and second indifferent, but first one will give less satisfaction than second one. So consumer obviously prefer to be on second one because E is a rational. And we can think. So IC curve 3 will give more satisfaction than IC2. So why consumer can't reach IC3 means his budget is limited. He can reach this much only. He cannot reach IC3. Okay. So uh, before E point, consumer will get less satisfaction. That way it won't be IC1, and IC3 will give more satisfaction but the budget will be low. So that you have to explain in graph explanation. And in conclusion, we can write from the above concept we can understand how consumer can reach equilibrium by using two different combination of two commodities. Okay, so here the spelling mistake is there, so it is commodities. Okay, so I hope you understood, and if you like my explanation, please like and share the video. Thank you.